आता खबरो विस्तारान. नागरिकत्व कायद्याआड आंदोलन करून लोकांनी बेठे सरकारी मालमत्तेची हानी करची न्हय. ही मालमत्ता जनतेचीच आसा, ती पिड्ड्यार करची न्हय. ह्या कायद्याचो कोणाचेर परिणाम जावचो ना. विचार करून हो कायदो तयार केल्लो आसा म्हण मंत्री माविन गुदिनो उलयला. RDXGOA खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
Any community per se, but I simply want to say one thing very emphatically. I want to repeat what Union Home Minister is saying. There is no cause of fear for anyone because it is a well thought out legislation. And if there are infirmities, still people feel there is some injustice to certain people, that can be covered up in the rules while framing the rules. So there is no need to get people on the roads, burn public property, destroy government assets. It is people's own asset they are destroying. They are destroying themselves. In this country, whatever progressive steps that are sought to be taken, there is no objection. Personally, I will only answer this by saying a few things. I personally know people in entire Goa. I personally know 3 families in Kansaulim village. I know 2 families in Velsa who are waiting for this sort of relief. They are stateless. They are not citizens of any country. They have come back because they were persecuted in another country, which is our neighbor. So they should remain like that forever. They don't have future and their children have no future. They should not have a citizenship. I think it is the right decision taken by the central government. Only thing, it needs more explanation. And whatever infirmities are there in CAB, I think it will be adequately covered up when the rules are framed.